Do you want to know how to save a TikTok video without a watermark on an Android phone? Then this video is for you. Hello, I'm Sophie, Millionaire Mum, and I bring you the tools, the courses and the mindset that you need to make a success online. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what you have to do to download a TikTok video and get rid of the watermark that comes when you download the TikTok video. You will see it's very easy. I'm going to show you how to do it using an Android phone. I believe it's different with an iPhone, but this method is for Android phone users. So I'm going to share my screen. You'll see it's very easy. Before I do so, can I just ask you to subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed? Hit that notification bell as well. That way you don't miss a video every time I upload one. Okay, with that being said, let's go. So here's what you need to do. So you obviously go to your TikTok and you click on the video that you want to download. You tap on there. Then you tap on the little three dots there. And you tap on here, copy link. So then you go out of TikTok and you go to Chrome here. And you go to this. Hold on, I'll show you how I got there. If you don't have this already, you go to this site, snaptic.app, right? snaptic.app, and here you tap here and you paste the link of your video, okay? Then you tap this little green button here, and it's going to download the video. Then you tap on any server, either 1, 2, 3, doesn't really matter. And it has ads, but there you go. You see, it's downloading the file, and there you go. If now I'll show you, I can go to my photos. Hold on a minute. Here, photos. And you will see, I've downloaded this. There you go. There it is. Okay? And as you can see, it does not have a watermark. Okay? Normally, if I downloaded it from the app, it would have a watermark. Okay? If you see it here, there you go. This is a normal downloaded from TikTok, and there you can see the watermark. Okay? So that was easy, wasn't it? As you see, that's just easy. It's just a simple little trick. But it is really nice because when you're downloading a video and if you re-upload it either on TikTok or on another platform and you have this kind of little watermark, it kind of looks a little bit messy. So it's much nicer to have a nice clean video. I really hope that you found this useful. If you did, please give the video a like. Make sure you subscribe to my channel as well. Hit the notification bell. That way you'll get a little notification every time I upload a new video. I always try to make content that is going to help you with your questions about all the tools and the courses and everything that you need if you are working online. If you have any particular questions, please make sure you check my tutorials playlist. And if you don't find the answer in the playlist, just drop a comment below with your question. I'll research it and I'll make a video for you. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in another video. Bye for now.